Okay, so atong sulayan ang ato ang produkto, guys. Okay, first mamaatsa ko. So preparing for an interview. So for this time, I'm not the interviewee. I am the interviewer. Okay. So dili ni maarte inyong madam. Butasan na to ako ang actually kabalom ko mga arte sa una. Pero kani maminyo na gud ta. Mausab na jud. Mausab na tong shook. Busy sa life. So kunting pintok-pintok lang yan. Sapat na. Dito sa amin. Saka na ko sa amin rin cute rin. Kadara ko sa kamera ro niya. Marana ko iring iring gilparo. So, anak ra akong gamit kay ano. Wala naman ko pampagwapa. Mapagwapa na ko kuliton sa kong anak. Okay. So, if you can see, I haven't able to pangilay pa. So, tanawa ra na pati na hugawa niya. Gamay na lang kay nibilin kay giduwaan na sa kong anak. So, diba? So, kunting pulbos lang. So, I don't use pulbos much. Wala kay ko gina-apply ko sa kanawang tapulan gani. Magpakwapa rin yung necessary. Pero di po di nga napagwapa yung to det pero sa una bang di mo lakag wala pangilay. Kana lang, presentable lang, pets na. And then, we're gonna be trying our own product, which is the Bath and Body Works shimmer lip gloss, lip gloss and the perfume. First is I will be removing this. Medyo manual ta rin kapita. Anong duha ka buok. So duha ka buok, duha ka layer. I don't know why, but I have to do that. Or maybe to keep it, but I don't like it. I want to smell. I smell. Yeah, smell doesn't. Oh, it's a roll, guys. So, roll siya ha. Bagong mata inyo, madam. So, sanipasin siya kaya bago pa siya kong mata. So, atong ay bakit hubag pa kay upadra ka oras atong tulog. Hulo ko humut kayo siya, guys. Pero, tisa ko mapangamata kaya I'm not going out, man. And then, my kids are having allergies right now. So, tisa ko mapangamot. But humut kayo siya, promise. And then, roll na siya, roll. Medyo pricey lang, but this is perfume. This is not mist. Yeah, this is perfume. Perfume rollable. And this is the 1,000 Wishes lip gloss. So we're gonna apply it now. I think it would be nicer if I do have, wait a minute, I do have a little bit of red here. Where did I put my, diba? Look at me, I'm so kinda alim kanon. So, ana ra na guys. A little bit red lang, pwede kita lapsik. Matang may vitamins, ani. Okay. Then I'm gonna apply this as a layer. Because it's just like, for me, it's just, a lip gloss, a shimmer. Like, you know, to layer and make it better. Because wala siya transparent. I'm gonna show you, ha. So, sa mga red lips, no worries. You can just apply it directly. Pero sa kalapsiun man ko, igo rin siya muhining. Lip gloss ka na siya. To shine na get gloss. Gloss. Ay, may pag akong gi-apply ani before is the Emily in Paris. I have that nude color. I would really like, mas gusto na ko itong color na nude. Kay, dili kayo, klarang ng lipstick na ka ba? And I like that, makeup na medyo nude ra. So that would be, ganahan siya ko na niya ka na murag skin tone type. But look at me. This is the effect of 1,000 Wishes lip gloss, and I know that they do have some kind of benefit for the lips. So it's not just a typical lip gloss, but it does have wait a minute, it does have some benefit, I think, for the lips. So this is good for hydration and moisture, and to make, of course, lip gloss to make your lips shiny, and you know, like the glossy touch after you do the lipstick. Because usually, diba, yung diba katong lipstick na to is dry siya, diba, di siya kayo shiny. So it's a good layer. So it's di siya dili siya, wala siya color. Actually, dili kay siya mo color. So di siya issue nga mo mix mo kuan sa imong lipstick, no, it not. If you can see, kung sa kong gibutang sa kong lips, maura gyapon niyang color. So kato akong likod. Non-sticky, dili siya kato ganing lip gloss nga if you put it in your lips, kabantay ka nang murag heavy imong lips, and then murag di ka comfortable. So usually that's the impact on me sa mga lip gloss or lip shiner. Mao na siya kong issue. Pero this one is like wala lang. So it's just a normal murara pug yung ng lipstick. So ana ra siya. And then yeah. Humot siya, and then medyo sweet. So yun lang sige lick kay kanang mawala gid siya. So ana ra. And just let me know if you want to buy one. So it's not just the lip gloss but it's all it's 2-in-1. It's basically the perfume, the 1,000 Wishes perfume, which is one of the best seller of Bath and Body Works. So guys, what are you waiting for? You can try this. We do only have limited stock of this one because one is we don't have much to buy from the store. Second is you know, it's seldom lang siya mag-sale. And yeah, so grab yours now because, you know, I think I only have one available for this to be sold, because yung katong ako usad sa duha, of course it's me, but it depends sa kung whether if you're gonna be inquiring, then I can give it to you. It depends on, you know, unsay ako makaon, because I do have a lot of Emily in Paris, and di man sad ko tigamit. So I mean like dili kay ko tig lipstick because of my nature of work where naradyo ko sa balay, so it's not an issue. So that's it. If you want to try, just message me, just let me know, just ask me questions, and I'll be there. If I'm gonna be delayed in responding your messages, please be patient, because your tendera is also working as a tendera for other stores in Amazon. So guys, 1,000 Wishes lip gloss with the roll-on perfume.